Hi, what I've got here is a very tasty summer salad. This just goes fantastic with barbecues. Have this along the side while you're grilling some hamburgers. Delicious. This is roasted corn and black bean salad with red bell peppers and feta cheese. And I roast the corn just a little bit in the fry pan, and that just kind of caramelizes the corn and just pops the flavor. Yeah, bring on summer. Let's go in the kitchen and make this right now. All right, for this salad, the only cooking we have to do is we're going to roast the corn a little bit. That gives it, kind of caramelizes it, and it adds a little extra flavor, and it's just delicious that way. So, what we have here is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We have 1 garlic clove which has been minced. We have 1 15-ounce can of corn kernels, or you could take about 1.5 cups of corn off the cob. We have 1 15-ounce can of black beans, small black beans. Delicious. Used in Mexican cooking a lot. I use them a lot in my burritos and stuff. And here we have 1 red bell pepper, which has been finely chopped, and 6 ounces or 170 grams of feta cheese crumbled. All right. First, let's get that oil going. We're going to put that in the pan, fry pan, and we're going to bring that up to medium heat. All right, we just want to bring that oil up to heat a little bit. The oil is heating up, so what we're going to do now is we're going to toss in the garlic and the corn. And now, oh, 1 piece left. There we go. Now, just stirring occasionally, moving around. We want to keep stirring it every once in a while because we don't want to burn the garlic. So you just want to, what we want to do is just slightly brown up that corn a little bit, just roast it a bit. So we're going to leave that and just occasionally stirring it about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we're ready to make the salad. All right, so while this is cooking, we can be making the dressing. So what I have here is 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some Tabasco, of which we're going to use about 3 to 4 drops. So let's get our big wooden bowl in here. We're going to toss the olive oil in there. In goes the vinegar, pepper and salt. And let's see if we can get 3 or 4 drops. There we go. That was about 4.5 drops. All right. And just whisk it together a bit. What I do is you want to just kind of emulsify the oil and the vinegar together so they come together. They're going to separate again a little bit, so just before we toss everything in, we'll give that one more whisk. All right, let's come back when that corn is cooked. All right, so that's been cooking for a little over 8 minutes, and they're just perfect. Look at that. A little caramelized, just gives the corn that extra flavor. Oh, we can turn that heat off. I'm just gonna quickly whisk this again. That's looking good. And now we toss that, oh, there's a corn overboard. Toss that corn in there. Just mix that around a little bit. Then we can toss in the black beans and the red bell pepper. Look how colorful this salad is going to be. I'm going to mix that around a bit. Now I'm going to let this cool for 15 minutes, thereabouts, just till the corn is cooled down. I don't want to put the feta cheese in yet. Now it's kind of melt. I want it to stay just crumbled. So the feta cheese is going to go in after this is cooled down a bit. All right, see you in a couple minutes. Right, the corn's cooled down. Give it a little toss, and then in goes the feta cheese. Okay, and just toss that around. And there we go. And there we go. Roasted corn and black bean salad with red bell peppers and feta cheese. A great summer salad. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for roasted corn and black bean salad with red pepper and feta cheese on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this delicious salad, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.